Alright, so here we have all these buildings. That probably means there's a bunch of air conditioners we can film. Speaking of air conditioners, there's some of those at the building next door. But, oh, look at that. We already found 2 stamped octagon Rheems. Should probably be careful because it's a radio station over there. It's 10-seer air conditioner. It's the classic school compressor. What is the thing? From August of 1999. This is from. This thing has 2 blades. Neither of these are on at the moment. Now we have 2 Rheem classic 10-seer air conditioners. Both of them have 2 blades too. So they're both also from August. That one's from August of 1999. I think this one might be too. Oh wow, I was lucky. Took a wild guess. Okay, it says GE fan motor. At least this Rheem does. But yeah, you should be careful because there's a radio station right here. Now let's go to this building. Spinal weight and weight loss. Oh, now at the other building, I found 3 more stamped octagon Rheems. And those over there. Let's not focus on those. Here we have 3 more 10-seer air conditioners. Oh, these 2 they're very small. Oh, 4 disconnect. One of those disconnect boxes leads to literally nothing. Oh, this one's like rusty. Oh, there's the thing. April of 1999. Okay. It's got 2 blades here. Then these 2 right here are probably older. Now, let's see. Yeah, April of 1998. And this one's from January of 1998. Might have been one of the first units that we made in 1998. Also, I realized I can actually get close to those things later, whatever they are. Yeah, these 2, probably, this one, these 2 are at least a year older than this one right here. Now let's go to this one with really interesting looking ones. Ooh, Tempstar Smart Comfort 2000. Here's a data sheet here. Wow. It's like, it's gone. Here's probably one more. I think that data sheet's worn off too. Here we have one more Tempstar Smart Comfort 2000. And then another stamped octagon Rheem 10-seer air conditioner. Whoa. From April of 1999. Here's those ones we were just at. Now we're at these things. Wait, these might be like blinds or something. Yeah, that's a blind. You think these are all blinds right here? This was from 2021. Here's the smallest of the others. Has 2 blades here. Also from 2021. Yeah, they're all from 2021 right here. Now we have these ones. Literally right, like, exposed to the road here. But here we have this old York, I think. Yeah, it's York. And it's from, yeah, I have no idea. But here's 2 more stamped octagon Rheems. The older kind too. Huh. These things are like coming off old age. This one here is from, I think August of 1996 or something. This one's from September of 1998. That one might also be 1998 actually. Wait, I think one of these turned on. What's this one? Wow. One of them turned on. That's so cool. Wait. This one? Yeah, this one also turned on. The only one that isn't on is this one. It's a compressor. There's a compressor on that one. let's hit on the other one here. That'll be it for today. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Never mind. Wait, I think did one of them turn on? Oh, damn! So it might be in a little ambient kit or something. But this one's turned on too. Now that'll be it for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more.